Hello students, welcome. Today in this video we are going to discuss about different types of separators uh, which includes cylindrical, spiral and magnetic separators. So the separators in post-harvest technology are crucial machines which is designed to clean and grade agricultural produce by removing foreign materials like chaff, stones, dust, weeds and sorting commodities based on physical characteristics. So they improve quality, enhance shelf life and reduce post-harvest losses. Before getting to the topic, we shall go into a brain game which activates your brain so that you can easily get into the topic. So, cylindrical separator. What is the principle behind it? The cylindrical separator works on the principle of difference in size, length, or thickness of grains and impurities. So, separation is achieved using a rotating perforated cylindrical drum where the particles smaller than the perforations pass through the holes while the larger particles are retained inside the cylinder. Thus, the material is separated based on physical size characteristics with the help of gravity and rotational motion. So, the construction of the cylindrical separators is shown here. It has so different parts like feed hopper, the solid outlet, in feed casing, in perforated cylinder, etc. So, a cylindrical separator consists of a rotating perforated cylindrical drum mounted on a rigid frame. The material to be cleaned is fed through a hopper into the rotating cylinder. The cylinder is provided with uniform perforations suitable for the size of impurities to be removed. So, a drive mechanism such as electric motor with belt and pulley is used to rotate the cylinder at a controlled speed. As the cylinder rotates, the smaller particles pass through the perforations while the larger grains move forward along the length of the cylinder and are discharged through a separate outlet. So, the collection trays or chutes are provided to collect the cleaned grains and separated impurities. So, where do we use the cylindrical separator? So, they are widely used in grain cleaning and grading operations. They are used to remove broken grains, sand, dust, and undersized impurities from the cereals and pulses. So, the common applications include rice mills, wheat flour mills, maize processing units, and pulse mills. And the cylindrical separators are also used in seed processing plants to improve the uniformity and quality of seeds. So they are generally used as a pre-cleaning machine before further processing such as milling and polishing. The use of cylindrical separators helps in improving processing efficiency and reducing the load on subsequent machines. So what is the principle of spiral separator? The spiral separator works on the principle of difference in shape, density and frictional characteristics of the particles. So the separations occurs due to the combined effect of gravity and centrifugal force as the material flows down a helical spiral path. So the lighter and round particles move towards the outer edge of the spiral, while the heavier and flatter particles move towards the inner edge, resulting in effective separation. So, the construction of spiral separator consists of a vertical helical spiral channel mounted on a supporting frame. So the spiral is made of a metal or reinforced plastic with a smooth surface to allow the free movement of grains. A feed hopper is provided at the top to introduce material uniformly onto the spiral, and multiple collection outlets or splitters are arranged at the bottom or along the spiral to collect the separative fractions. So the separator operates without any moving mechanical parts, making it energy efficient and easy to maintain. So now coming into magnetic separators. It works on the principle of magnetic attraction. So the ferromagnetic materials such as iron particles and metal fragments which are attached towards a magnetic field, while the non-magnetic food materials pass unaffected. By applying a permanent magnet or electromagnet uh, on the conveyor line, the metal particles on the uh, found within the product gets attached to the conveyor belt, while the product alone is get conveyed and collected at the final bin. So the next one is plate magnetic separator. A plate magnetic separator consists of a flat rectangular magnetic plate made of permanent magnets. So it is usually installed inside the chutes, ducts, or at the discharge point of processing equipment. When the food material flows over or near the magnetic plate, ferrous impurities such as iron particles, nails, and metal fragments are attracted and held firmly on the surface of the magnet. The non-magnetic food materials continues to flow normally without any obstruction. So the collected metal particles are periodically removed manually by cleaning the metal plate. In the drum magnetic separator, it consists of rotating cylindrical drum fitted with permanent magnets or electromagnets inside. While the drum rotates continuously, the food materials is fed onto its surface. As the material comes in contact with the drum, the ferrous materials, impurities are attracted and held on the drum surface due to magnetic field. The non-magnetic food materials falls freely under gravity and is collected separately. So this is commonly used in high capacity grain, flour and food powder processing units for continuous removal of metal contaminants. So the raw materials containing impurities are subjected to different separation methods based on size, shape and magnetic properties. The cylindrical separators remove undersized and broken materials. Spiral separators classify grains based on the shape, density and magnetic separators, while it eliminates ferrous metal contaminants. The combined action of these separators ensures effective cleaning, improved product quality, and enhanced food safety. So, here you have a small activity. So, match this separation method with the correct concept and give me the answers in your comment box. Thank you.